What's up, everyone? So today we are taking a look at the Ryobi 18 volt 1 Plus stick vacuum. So many people told me I needed to try this. I wish I would have done it earlier. So cool. I can't wait to show you how awesome this thing is. The link is in the description below. Let's get it started. Here we are with another innovative tool from Ryobi, the 18 volt 1 Plus stick vac. This thing is so cool. It's been out for a little while. I finally got my hands on it. Everybody has been telling me you gotta try it out. Let's take a look at this. You got some attachments here. You got the wand, the brush. We are using the 4AH battery. It comes in this kit. I will put the link in the description below for it. Yes, this thing is brushless as well. Now you will get about 45 minutes running this thing on low on a fully charged battery. You will get about 25 minutes on high. Check out the canister. This is also very cool. You just hit that button right there and it pops open. You can empty it out. Now you can empty this debris out a couple different ways. Just go up to your garbage can, push the button. You can see that door opens up. Or you can actually take that canister off just like so. Push that button and off it will come. Now the container itself looks to be under a half gallon. But all in all, it does hold a lot more than the other stick vacs. And what's really cool about this, see, I have the debris right behind the filter. All I have to do is pop off the top and clean it out like so. And then put the top right back on. Very, very simple to do. No screws to unloosen. Just clean her out and start all over again. Now it also has a little rubber flap right here, so when you turn this vacuum on, it'll pull that debris up, it'll actually open that flap, and then when you shut that vacuum off, it'll actually close the flap automatically and keep that debris in there. Now as for storage, I'll show you how you can hang this right up on the wall. It's very cool, but you can also take this apart into smaller sections, so if you want to put it in some type of pantry or closet, you can do that as well, and it will not take up a lot of room at all. Here is a closer look of it disassembled. If you want to put it in a storage area, you can do it that way if you want to. Now, the length on this thing is really nice. I'm 6 foot tall. I don't have to bend down at all. I want to give you a comparison here with the Makita stick vacuum, right? A lot longer. This thing is 45 inches long. So no bending down, nothing, and it's more powerful than the Makita vacuum. I can definitely tell a difference myself personally. Now to turn this thing on and off, just simply hit that button right there. You hit it once, goes into high mode. Hit it again, goes into low mode. Hit it again, and it will shut the unit down. Now this thing only weighs 7.5 pounds. Even though it's bigger than the Makita and a lot of the other stick vac out there, it's not heavy at all, and it's actually balanced really well. Quick, let me show you what it sounds like here. Now, even if you want to do carpeting, all you have to do is take that nozzle off right there and simply insert the roller bar. Very easy to do, and this has a swivel head on it. Makes corners really nice and easy to go around. Let me turn this on real quick for you. The bristles on this thing actually turn very, very quickly. I'm actually surprised how much force it actually has for being battery operated. So now let's throw some rocks down on here and suck them up with the vacuum. No issue at all taking down these rocks. Very easy to pick this stuff up. Get into the tight corners. Really, really happy with this. I was using it out in the garage. I was using it in the house. I was using it to pick up my kids' Legos that I keep stepping on. And yeah, the power of this vacuum, I have to say, it's a lot better than I thought it would be. Let me show you what it looks like going into the canister here. Now, another thing I did notice when I was out in the garage is that it does do a good job keeping that dust inside the canister. Alright, so right now what I want to do is sweep the carpet in the house, and this is what this really shines at as well, is getting into those tight corners or going up steps. If you have an RV, if you have a boat, this is so portable. I got to be honest with you, I'm really impressed with this here, and I know a lot of people told me you got to try this, you got to try it, and I just didn't try it, and now I'm trying it. There you go. Look at how you can get into those corners real easy. Now, another nice thing about this, I already mentioned that you can get into the tighter areas like the corners, but check out the swivel head on this. Real smooth on it. Real easy to go left, right, or around corners with it. Now, another little feature that a lot of people don't really even notice is check out how this thing can lean up against a table. They actually designed it to do that. Check that out. The bottom of that canister is actually angled. It's actually really cool. And the battery right here, again, 4.0 AH. And what a lot of people do is they throw them up in their battery charger and they charge them up. But what Ryobi did, and this is genius to me here, is they got their own little charging dock here. So you do not need a Ryobi battery charger. You just take this, you throw it up right on top. There's your little connection point. Throw it right up on top here on the wall. Boom. Now you can see the light charging on the battery here, and then there's also another battery charging indicator light right on the unit itself. Now, it does not charge as fast as a conventional Ryobi battery charger, but I just thought this was genius, so you don't need to go out and buy a separate charger. This comes in the kit with the battery and the vacuum. You put it up, you can store your attachment on there. I just thought that was really, really cool. There you go, all. It's just so cool. Now, I had mentioned other stick vacuums. This one here is a little bit more pricey, a little bit more expensive, and even the Makita that we were looking at. But you also get the battery, you get the charger, the longer wand, the attachments, the roller bar. Just very, very cool. It's convenient, it's portable, it's built well, it's balanced well. And I have to give a shout out for everybody that said, listen, you have to try this, because I'm really happy I did. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at www.toolreviewzone.com, and we will be back with more videos soon.